Earthbondhon, Electrical and Electronic Engineering. Any question, write in the comment box. More update, please subscribe our channel. Notification to press the bell icon. How to calculate the horsepower rating. 3-phase motor. Formula. Horsepower equals SQRT3 multiplication current multiplication voltage multiplication efficiency multiplication power factor. Horsepower equals 746 watts. Example: SQRT3 equals 1.73. Current equals 50. Voltage equals 440. Efficiency equals 0.82. Power factor equals 0.8. Horsepower I don't know equals 1.73 multiplication 50 multiplication 440 multiplication 0.82 multiplication 0.8 division. Horsepower equals 746 watts equals 33.46 horsepower. Thanks for watching the video. Don't not forget to like and share. Please subscribe our channel.